let's get started and let me show you my abstract and botanical drawing bullet journal setup for September. For this, I'm using my Pigeon Letter Studio monoline pens 03 and 05 for the whole setup, as well as the Crayola markers super tips, and I'm going to put them in the description down below. And that's it for my cover page. As far as a calendar, I don't do the traditional one. I write down the dates and the corresponding days of the week, and I usually just like to write the important days in this vertical format. Next to my important days page, I usually do a master to-do list, which is basically a brain dump for the month, where I like to just write down everything that I plan to do within the month. Moving on, I am going to be doing my goals page. I find that it's easier for me to stay on track when I write down the goals that I want to accomplish for the month. And as you can see, the whole theme is of these abstract shapes and combined with the botanical drawing. And remember that if you need help with your lettering, I have a 5 ways to letter September free worksheet that you can download to practice, and also a video tutorial. And with the lettering, I also like to do some shadows with this light gray marker. And I didn't realize until the end that I wasn't recording the last pages, but here is a flip through and you can see the remaining pages that I did on my bullet journal setup, like this daily gratitude, my currently September, my social media tracker, and also a weekly layout. And there you have it, my abstract and botanical drawing theme for September. Make sure you comment below and let me know which theme you did for this month. If you recreated, tag me on Instagram at Vial Designs. Thank you for watching.